A really big story for us this morning. We've been talking a lot about Title 42. It's the Border Patrol policy allowing agents to refuse entry to asylum seekers with this COVID-era health mandate. It was supposed to expire today, but a federal judge did step in, issuing a nationwide injunction that keeps Title 42 in place. The White House is now appealing. Immigration attorney Renata Casto is joining us live right now. I just want to give people a picture of what is happening at the border. From what you know about the immigration situation there, with the extension of Title 42, what are Border Patrol agents seeing?
Border Patrol agents continue business as usual because the Biden administration is able to determine, irrespective of whether or not the federal judge has upheld Title 42, who gets to enter the United States to pursue their asylum claim through a process called credible fear interview. Therefore, we anticipate that the impact will be more emotional than legal. However, it is noteworthy to see that courts, federal courts, are willing to interfere with the execution of immigration law. And I believe that this will go all the way to the Supreme Court, as it impacts more politics than it does immigration law.
I have to ask you, you use the term business as usual for border agents with 223,000 migrant encounters at the border in 1 month alone, and an unprecedented amount of immigrants trying to cross every single day. Is business as usual a proper term for what America is seeing right now?
Unfortunately, yes. We have to see that the volume of individuals entering the border is a direct result of not only the economic chaos caused by COVID in Central and South America and in other countries as well, but also the increased use of technology. The more border encounters, the more it means that CBP is doing its job. What the U.S. really needs to do is revamp this archaic immigration law that requires individuals to risk their lives in order to pursue or to avail themselves of asylum law protections. It is an unfortunate term to say that it is business as usual, but as an immigration attorney, I can't think of a better way to describe what's going on right now.
Renata Casto, thank you so much for joining us. I know our NewsNation poll finding 54% of Americans oppose ending Title 42, and there is a continued discussion over the right way to reform immigration policy along the border. Thank you for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
Coming up, we have some new concerns about monkeypox in the U.S. Florida reporting a... Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.